Hi, I'm Zane, and I've been seeing a lot of comments on my recent Backrooms video asking for a tutorial. So, today I'm going to show you guys how I made my friend Theo stumble into the Backrooms. Let's take a look. Okay, so first use your clip to create a new composition. For my clip, I have the shot of the hand that is going to pass through the wall, as well as a shot of just the wall. If we move forward a little bit, we have our clean plate. Now move back to where the clip of your hand ends and click Command-Shift-D to split the layer. Name that layer hand, and then we're going to name our clean plate layer wall. Double-click the hand layer to open this panel. You can click on the top to open it up fully. Now go to the top and make sure your roto brush is selected. Then we're going to come back over and roto out our hand. Once you think it looks okay, then you're going to come down and click freeze, and then just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you can close this panel. Now come over here and click the roto effect. I like to check use motion blur if there's a decent bit of movement. Then maybe shift edge down a little bit, and then give it some feathering to help get rid of some of those harsh edges. Now you're going to open up your wall layer and go to transform and then to scale. We're just going to scale that clip up a little bit so the wall looks closer than it really is to let the hand pass through it. Once you're done with that, right-click your hand layer and pre-compose it. Make sure to check Move All Attributes to New Composition, and then click OK. Now we're going to grab our pen tool to create a mask around some of the fingers. If your hand disappears like mine did, don't freak out. Just go to your hand composition, go down to masks, then go over and check inverted. Now you should see that your hand has reappeared, and also if you move the mask over it, it disappears. Now, I like to give it some feathering, maybe around 14, and then go ahead and check the stopwatch next to mask path to add a keyframe. Now I'm going to move a few frames ahead and then start readjusting the mask to taste. I'm just going to keep moving a few frames and doing this process until I think it looks good. Once that's done, grab your pen tool again and just rinse and repeat that process for the rest of the fingers. You can get creative and play around with this until you have something that you think looks alright. Once you're done with that, you should have something that looks a bit like this. I also used that exact same technique to create this shot here. And for the actual backroom shot, we just used simple old green screen. Uh-oh. So I hope you guys learned something, and thank you for watching.